Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions on privacy in the Tiqets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the options button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the help section, click on the frequently asked questions button. And then click on the privacy button. And here you can find the two questions related to that. So if you want to learn about unsubscribing from newsletter, then just click on that question and you will find the answer there. And if you find it helpful, you can always support them by giving a feedback. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.